The heavy-duty air seat blow gun kit for trucks, utility vehicles, buses and more. Designed for vehicles with an air ride seat system, the nylon hose extends up to 8 feet long. The air seat blow gun kit is used to clean from the cab to the sleeper. The blow gun kit includes 2 interchangeable nozzle tips. Designed for fast cleaning of truck cab, snap-in T-fitting, 99509, and blow gun with extra nozzle. Customize your vehicle with Grand General Heavy-Duty Truck Air Seat Blow Gun Kit. Grand General is a leading manufacturer and distributor of high-quality accessories featuring an extensive selection of chrome and stainless steel products. The Air Seat Blow Gun Kit is designed for trucks with an air ride seat system. The nylon hose extends up to 8 feet long to give it that special clean from the cab to the sleeper. The blow gun kit include 2 interchangeable nozzle tips. This air seat blow gun kit is commonly used on trucks, buses and utility vehicles. Grand General Air Seat Blow Gun Kit is a premium quality choice. Top reviews from the United States. Way better than the one sold at truck stops. Had an issue where air was leaking at the base, contacted Amazon and got another that still works. Easy install and way better than the one sold at truck stops. It's plastic at the base, so connection is way easier than metal ones, and also get the longer one.